Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make cornbread at home. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and a ½ cup of sugar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a ½ teaspoon of salt for that perfect rise and taste. For the wet components, have ready 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's mix up this delicious batter. First, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl, whisking them thoroughly. In a separate bowl, gently whisk together the milk, vegetable oil, and egg. Then, slowly incorporate the wet mixture into the dry, stirring just until everything is moistened. Remember, a few small lumps are perfectly normal and will help ensure a tender, moist cornbread. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it heats, generously grease an 8-inch square baking pan or a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Pour your cornbread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it out evenly. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Your homemade cornbread is now ready. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing into generous portions. This warm, golden brown treat is absolutely delicious, served with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to enjoy later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.